My house is only tinted because I literally burned a vacation day after I signed and got the keys. So I could do it with nothing in my house. And the shutters were going up like the next week on like the Monday. So I was like, if I don't do this now, it might not get done. Because I mean, don't want to do it on my off time, but it needs to get done. Let alone, I really don't want to work around shutters when it comes down to it. Like, obviously we do every single day, but if you give me the option of work around shutters or no shutters, I'm gonna make sure I'm tinting my house without the shutters. Go a lot faster for me. So
That's same when I moved into our house. I did it all before. Lick of furniture went, lick of drapes, curtains, anything. It just made it so much easier.
I'm not a big fan of like sales or promotions, but that might be a fun one to do. Like, hey, get us to install your film before you move in, and you put any window coverings in, and we'll give you a discount. If you're moving into your home, we're gonna have a promo. Hey, you're gonna be able to click the link below for a discount if you get us to tint your home before you put your shutters, your blinds, or any furniture in the home.